Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video, we will make a 3D game in 10 minutes. Yes, a 3D game in 10 minutes. So, without wasting time, let's start the video. Here I have a empty Unity 3D project. So we will start a timer. So the timer starts from now. Firstly, I will take a cube 3D object cube and name it to something like ground and drag it. Yes, like this. Okay. The next thing what we have to do, add a 3D object cube and name it to player and reset the transform and drag it there, scale it a little bit down and create a material and name it to player and change it to red. And you drag it to our player. After that, like this, and add a resist body and add another 3D object cube and name it to obstacle. And create another material and name it to obstacle and make it black and drag it to our obstacle. Now duplicate it. Now and I duplicate, make a whole level. So I am skipping the video and fast forwarding the video. So friends, after setting the obstacle, go to player, add a new script, name it to movements, hit create and add, and double click to open it in Visual Studio. Open Visual Studio. It is opened. Now first thing what we have to do, write public and reset body and name it to player RB and another public float and name it to forward and another public float, name it to side. And after that, in the start we will write player rb dot rv is equal to get component, that is it body, and inside our update message we will write player rv dot add force vector 3 dot forward multiply by time dot delta time and multiply by forward. And here we have to write another thing. Forward is equal to 2000 by default, and in the side is equal to 1000 by default. And inside, after that we will write if input dot get key a player rv dot add force vector 3 dot left multiply by time dot delta time and then multiply by side. And the copy dates, change the key to D and vector 3 dot right, save it, head back to Unity, drag our player here and add a physics material and name it to player, and it change the fix and combine to multiply, and you drag it to our player and last thing, drag our main camera to player. This is so fast, so we will change the force to 1000 and 800 and this to 1000. Good. And change this to something like 900 and add another script named collision, double click to open it and delete our start and update message and write public movements and name it to player and made an void on collision enter. So if collision dot collider dot tag is double equal to obs, then player dot enabled is equal to false, save it, head back to Unity and drag our player here and in the obstacle add a tag and name it to obs shape and do for all the obstacle. So I'm skipping the video. Now we have added the tag to all the obstacle. Now when we hit play, it collide with something, our movements are disabled. So next thing, go to our script and write using Unity engine dot scene management and here write scene manager dot load scene manager dot get active scene dot build index, save it, head back to Unity and go to build setting, drag our scene here. Now when we hit play and collide with something, our new game is loaded. And last thing we have to do the level complete UI. So go to create a panel. I have to tell one thing, that our game is completed, but these are additional things. So name it to level complete. Our time is opening. Just time up. But I have told you before that these are additional things. If you want, I don't do this, so tell me in the comment section. Looking nice. And last thing, in the script we have to write if collision dot collider dot tag is equal to label. You can name it anything. So write another thing, public game object label. So label dot set active true. Save it. Now switch to 3D and create another 3D object, cube. And disable our level complete UI. And at the end of the scene,
the kingdom is overthrown. Meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you.
and disable the mesh renderer
Bond is solid gold.
and add a tag,
Diamond in an emerald.
name it to
It took me far
level,
to find you.
and in the
'Cause when it's all
cube add a level tag and name it to
over, I'll be there to guide you in every way.
complete. And go to player, drag our level complete UI here.
The summer's calling.
Now when we hit play, level complete menu is loaded. So it was the video how to make a 3D game in 10 minutes. I actually take more than 10 minutes, but I have added more things, but the game is a simple game is ready in 10 minutes. So if you find any errors, so please tell me in the comment section, and like the video, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.
As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that